Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making the viral imitation crab. I found these at Tom Thumb, and I got a big bag of jumbo shrimp that I'm also going to use. And then I'm going to go to the refrigerator and show you guys the eggs. And so now I'm grabbing a pot and I'm going to put this on the stove and turn on the heat. And then I'm going to go grab some water. Just a little bit will suffice. And just pour it in there. And then just get a little bit more. And then pour it in there. And so now I have the eggs on the stove and I'm going to turn that on. And I'm going to put it on 5. And just let that come to a boil. And I'm going to look for some salt. I gotta go to the table to get the salt. So then we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit in there to help that boil. And now I have my strainer with my frozen imitation crab and my shrimp. I'm just gonna rinse this off. And while I'm rinsing, I'm gonna let the water run so that it can thaw out. Do not use hot water, use cold water and let the water run. And then we're gonna turn our attention back. So now we're going in with some garlic and some butter. So I just went ahead and unwrapped that little piece and put the whole thing in there. And I went ahead and threw that in the trash. And then I'm gonna come back and grab a spoon and just spoon a little bit of garlic juice and diced garlic into the mixture that I have in the pot. It looked nasty, that's why I look like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and that much is what I used and just spoon it in there. 2 scoops was enough. So then I'm gonna put the top back on this and set it to the side. And then I'm gonna grab my seasonings.
Now I'm grabbing my onion. I'm going to go over to the trash and try to peel it. I'm going to come back over here and grab a knife and just cut it off and peel it like that. I recommend you wear goggles or something peeling onions, because peeling onions is not for the weak. Peel that thing, peel that thing, peel that thing. We're not going to watch my facial expressions while I peel this onion. I didn't drop that. My eyeballs is burning. Jesus. Anyway, so let me get this last piece of skin off. Now, an onion.
So now I'm just gonna cut a little piece off and then I'm gonna go grab me a bag from out the pantry. A little Ziploc bag, and then I'm just gonna put the rest of the onion in there and throw that to the side. And then I'm gonna proceed to cut this small piece into bite-sized pieces. And then I'm gonna go put them in the mixture and let those cook down. I'm just gonna mix those around, get them acquainted with the seasonings and things. I'll put a bit more seasoning, some accent. I think I'm saying that right. And some more bay seasoning. I'm just gonna get a spoon and spoon that in there right quick like that. Mix that around, give it a good stir, add a little bit more broth. I use chicken broth for this. And I'm gonna put the broth in the refrigerator. You clean up as you go, honestly. I'm looking for some more butter, I'm not gonna lie. Got some pepper juice. I found the butter. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, we're just gonna use half that thing. And just plop that in there and let that melt and put the butter back. I'm gonna throw my onion peels in the trash. And then I'm gonna go ahead and throw everything else in the trash while I cut this onion. And I'm gonna put the small piece in there, and then I'm gonna squeeze the juice. After I squeeze the juice, I'm gonna just put the lemon in there. I think I said onion, but it's a lemon. Put the lemon in there, mix it around, make sure all the juices is out. And then re-squeeze the lemon.
It was hot, so you throw that in the trash and then go wash your hands. Then after you wash your hands, you throw everything else in the trash and you grab you some bleach. Go use that Comet. Spray that counter down because you nasty hoes don't be cleaning up. Oop, y'all see napkins? Hey, y'all, I'm back. Anyway, so we gonna wipe this counter off. Yeah, with that bleach. Throw that in the trash. And then we're gonna go back to this and we're gonna stir it around. And I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like. Yeah. Anyway. So then we're just gonna take everything. I got 4 imitation crabs and I think like 6 shrimp. I'm gonna just put everything back after I add a little bit more of that. I said a little bit. And put everything else back where it belongs. Mix that in there. Cause you know, yeah.
And so now you just see me spreading the sauce around on the imitation crab and the shrimp, making sure everything is nicely coated. And I'm gonna speed this up so you guys don't have to watch me sit here and spread this sauce on everything. So now I'm just doing my dancey dance. Yeah, period. And this is what it's looking like. Yeah. Grabbing my plate. And I'm going to turn y'all around so y'all can see me. Yes, I took peppers out of there. You can mind your business. took like maybe 5, but who's counting? I'm gonna put the top back on. I'm gonna put this back in the refrigerator. And then I'm gonna grab my drink because I'm thirsty. And then we're gonna go to the refrigerator and get some ice. Crushed ice. And I got some cranberry juice. That coochie. Yeah. I shake mine up just in case, you know. Yeah, look at that goodness. If you know, you know. Yeah, period. Now, I'm going to show y'all what it looked like all on the plate. Yeah, get into it. Yeah. Unfortunately, guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.